One of the best ways to make your videos and your thumbnails pop is color lighting. Maybe you want to add color to the background of your room or office, or get creative and add color to the subject of your videos and photos. In either case, the best way to do this is with an RGB lighting kit. And in this video, I'm doing a quick review of the GVM-1000D lighting kit to check out all of the features that can help us take our content to the next level. Now, for the last couple years, we've been using GVM lights. In fact, one of our videos popped off because it really talked about how to make cool colored background thumbnails and dynamic photography, and Omar just crushed that video. That lighting kit, the GVM-800D, is one of the best-selling lights on B&H Photo. And what they've really done with these is they've upgraded everything. They made them stronger, they made them better, and so I'm excited to dive into the features of the 1000D. Let's check it out. Now, one of my favorite things about the 1000Ds and the bigger brother, the 1200D from GVM, is the new app. In the past, GVM's app was connected via Wi-Fi, so it actually just meant you couldn't be on any other Wi-Fi network. Now it connects through Bluetooth. It's called the GVM LED app. Downloads fast, connects super fast, and it allows you to start controlling some of the features. Now, on the back, there is all the tactile features and really easy modes, and so you can use it without the app, but the app is freaking crazy simple. Of course, you can really blast the brightness if you want here. I'm gonna leave it low just so we can kind of talk about it. And so we can hit the full 3200 Kelvin light temperature here, and then crank it all the way over to 5600 Kelvin temperature for the bicolor, turn it on and off. And then we of course can do hue and saturation. And so you've got this whole hue and saturation option of all these different colors. And then you also have scenes. TV as one of the scenes. And so these scenes are great for filmmakers, for creative TikToks, for live streamers. This is lightning. You've got the candle scene for like candle light, right? You've got bad bulb, and you can imagine like you're kind of in a hostage scene in someone's basement and the bulb is flickering. You've got disco, crazy, all the different hue and saturation colors there. Cop car. And hey, if you're getting value out of this video, smash the like button and let us know what kind of topics you want us to cover next. And then paparazzi, if you wanted to have that they've really packed a ton of cool features into this light kit to make it versatile for really any situation. Now again, if you don't want to use the app, you have a really crispy new style LED display here on the back, and all of the controls to potentially select lights on different channels if you want, as well as you can make lights a slave to other lights, meaning you could like link them all together. You decide which light's the master, and if you wanted to use 2 of these, 3 of these from the kit, or even pair it with more and really create some dynamic light scenes, you could slave multiple lights together by clicking through these modes. But from my point of view, when you just switch it to app mode and use the app on your phone, man, it's dead simple and super user-friendly. Now, the GVM-1000Ds have a couple different combinations if you're thinking about investing in this kit. You can grab 2 of them, and the retail price is like $320, but there's usually different specials and different deals, so you can check those out in the YouTube description below to see current pricing. You can also grab a 3-pack, and in each case, you're gonna get the lighting stands and everything else you need. But the other kit I want you to know about is the 1200D. Now, these are kind of like the iPhone standard, and these are like the iPhone Pro Max. Same features, same everything, except for you just have bigger and better if you need more light output. You have this kind of cool translucent vibe in the plastic here, as well as this red aluminum on the 1200D, and you have a total of 920 LED beads. So you're gonna get more white light, more warm light, and more RGB bulbs. So if you just wanna level up and have more light output, then you might wanna check out the 1200D model. The Think Media team and I had so much fun experimenting with this kit, and from getting our hands on these lights, we could see that the use cases for them are pretty endless, from artistic photography to YouTube thumbnails and trying to get that creative edge, to proper portraits or doing video work, whether you just want to do standard lighting on a video production shoot or make the thing pop with some color, as well as maybe church work or shooting stories or testimonials or creative videos. And maybe you're actually a filmmaker and you could see using some of those scenes and all of the other features that the light has. I think they're definitely worth checking out. And don't just take my word for it. Check out one of the links in the description and you'll see why so many people love GVM lights.
This video is sponsored by GVM.